Welcome back, all of you math whizzes. Let's get started today by moving our bodies and counting. Let's start with my 120 chart. Make sure that you are really following along with your eyes as we're counting. And I'm going to teach you one trick that we use in our classroom, which is using different symbols to remember what comes next. So we came up with a strategy where just our baby numbers, where there's only one numeral, we call those the baby ones. From 10 to 19, those are our teen numbers. So we think of it, some of our friends said, I have a teenage brother or a teenage sister, and they're not always very nice. So we call them the mean teens, and we go like this. For 20s, 20. We came up with the twinkling 20s. They share the same beginning sounds. 30s, birdie 30s. 40s, it's like a fox digging. 50s, fist to 50s. 60s, I don't feel so good, sicky sistis. 70, sippy 70s, like you're drinking a cup of tea, the English way. 8, I ate something, I ate an apple, 80s. And my 90s are nighty-night 90s. 100 to 109, we go back and we use our fingers to count. And then from 110 to 119, we go back to those mean teens. 100 with a teen. Are you ready? Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Good job, boys and girls. Don't forget to count every day. Count forwards, count backwards. Let's try counting backwards now. Can we start at 20 and count backwards? Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Lift off. You can also count by tens. Counting by tens, you can flash as you count along. Ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Excellent job counting along with your tens. For the fives, we're going to be doing both sides. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Excellent job, everybody. Now we have our heart rate going, our brains are moving and thinking. For those of you who've already moved on to your twos, I just wanted to point out, I wish you could see it better on my chart, but all of my twos are highlighted in yellow, which you probably can't see very good on camera. But don't forget, if it has a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 for the tens, then it's going to be counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Does 46 have one of the numbers that we need? Is there a 6? That's right, it is one of the twos. 2, 4s, 6s, 8s, and 10s. Very good, boys and girls. So today we're actually talking about, for number talks, we're actually going to be talking about subitizing. Our goal today is saying, I can recognize numbers quickly by subitizing. Can you say subitizing with me? Subitizing. Subitizing means that we're going to count with your eyes. That means I can quickly look at something and be able to recognize what number it is without actually counting them out. Usually when we're subitizing, we can see smaller sets of numbers quickly and put those sets of numbers together to make the complete number. So, subitizing, what does it mean? It's counting not with your fingers, but with your eyes. So, in the first example, what do the eyes see? I don't know if you can see that from there, but that is marks. Look, it's a full set of tally marks. We know how many are in a full set of tally marks. How many is that? That's right, 5. 5 altogether. What about the hearts? Let's look at it. We have 2 on top and 1 over in the corner. That's what I see. Do you see it differently? When I see 2 on top and 1 in the corner, I put those 2 numbers together and it makes 3. So my eyes automatically see 3. Look at that 10 frame. Oh, wow. That 10 frame is almost empty, but I see 1 up here on the corner. How many is that? That's right, just 1. Over here, it gets a little bit more complicated because there's a lot more dots, but just chunk it. Look at the top. I see a straight line across with 3. And the bottom, it almost looks like a diamond to me. I don't know, what do you see? When I see that diamond, I see the 4 points. And I could put my 3 and my 4 together. 7. Very good. That is called subitizing, counting with your eyes. Let's go ahead and take some looks. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these examples over here. Here's one way we can subitize. If we see dots, what do you see? How do you see it? I see 3 up and down and 1 over on the side. Is that what you see? Or do you see it in a different way? Let's try another one. Ooh, it looks like a domino. Do you see a domino? Notice how many are on each side. How many are on this side? That's right, 2. How many on this side? 2. When you put those together, you know this one. What do you see all together? That's right, 4. 4 all together. Got my marker. Let's try another one. Can you see that really well? I'm going to pull you closer. There we go. How's that? Bad lighting again. Let's try over here. Okay. Here's my magnet. Oh, look, it's another 10 frame. Does it look full? It's not filled to capacity. I noticed that the bottom line doesn't have any. So none on the bottom line. That's what my eyes see. My eyes see nothing on the bottom. But I also see that there's something missing from the top. And when the whole top is not full, which normally holds 5, then I visually took 1 away, and how many am I left with? That's right, 4. 4 all together. Is that what you see? Quick. What do you see? Ooh, there it is. Sorry, guys. I tried it. Must have changed the lighting so far. 2. Are you ready? Here comes another one. Let's try it again. How many is it? Don't count the thumb. It's all the way down. How many? Correct again, 4. Now this time I'm going to show you the dots to subitize. I want you to count with your eyes, and then I want you to tell me, what do you see? And I want you to say it like this. I see, and then tell me what you see. I see, and then tell me, what do you see? You ready? What do you see? That one looks pretty simple. It almost looks like a square to me. 1 on each of the points, or maybe like a window. 4. That's right. That's what I see too. But did you see them? Like a box like I did with the 4 corners? Or did you see it in a different way? Did you maybe see it where you have 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom? That's one way you could have seen it. And guess what? Putting those 2 numbers together in your mind will help you to come up with the total. Because 2 and 2 more is, you're right, 4. 2 and 2 is 4. A lot of you guys are doing composing in your class with Miss Kadibai, Miss Ibrahim, Miss Kadessa, Miss Chumbly. You are also composing. Let's see if I can get that up there. You are also composing. So I thought maybe I could show you that while we're subitizing, whatever we see, we can build into a composing sentence. Did you see it a different way? Instead of it going one on the top and another line on the bottom, maybe you saw it where they were on the sides. 2 sets on the sides. Did it change our sentence? 2 and 2 more altogether make 4. It didn't change how many I had altogether, but I did see them differently. Or maybe you saw it like this. I noticed that it makes kind of an L shape. And then there was one off to the side. There's lots of different options to see. Sets. This is one way, but does it change my number sentence? It would, because I see this time 3 and 1 on the side. So let me change my numeral sentence. How many did I see at first in the L? 1, 2, 3, that's right. 3 and 1. Is it still 4? It doesn't change the end. Doesn't change what we have all together. Good job. Let's see. Ready for another one? What do you see? This time, the configuration is the same. So my eyes notice that there's 2 blue diagonal and 2 orange diagonal. Did you see it maybe like that? Still makes 4, but I would change my number sentence for that one. I would no longer say it's 3 and 1. I would say 2 and 2. Let's try a different view. What do you see? How do you see it? Help me build your sentence. I see. Did some of you see it like this? Put them together. 4 all together. Or maybe did you see it like this? Still 4. 3 on the bottom, 1 up at the top. Lots of different options to see. Maybe we made another L and had one over on the side. Maybe that's what you saw. You in the comments tell me what you see. I'm going to show you one that you can send to your teacher to tell her what you see. I see. Here's your problem. I see. What do you see? Make sure you build your sentence so that you can tell your teacher what you see. Don't forget to keep counting daily. Practice your 5s, 10s, your 1s, forward and backwards. And make sure that you're counting and check the videos to see how your teacher wants you to do it. Bye for now. Have a great day.